me this amazing Feng Shui set. Today for decoration, it comes in 60 pages, super easy and help well love, lucky and happiness. To use, follow the instruction, it's simple for dummies. It comes in all the levels for simple level onto advanced level and is additional, functional, fair and outdoor. Everything that is provided is perfect. You have to just get some water and stones. The material is really nice and the quality is amazing. I love all the details that it has and the color of this one is so nice. I love the color golden here. Don't have to worry about how you use it because it comes very detailed instruction and you have multiple options.
Okay, so I'm going to put the stick gourd in the corner right here because this is going to be the best way to set up facing direction where our door is facing in the room.
And I kind of like it because it could be used decoration. It's kind of cute to be like some gold thing there. Could be part of it.